कोई दिक्कत?
Yes,
Any
sir.
problem?
No, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
कोई problem? Please tell me.
No, sir.
No. Okay. 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 Now we go to the next point. Our next point is division of the whole number by fraction. बेटे मेरी आपसे गुजारिश है कि मैंने म्यूट नहीं किया है, इसलिए आप आपस में टॉकिंग ना करें. My humble request to you, don't talk to each other. Please sit alone. अकेले बैठिए और आराम से देखिए जिससे कि मैं अच्छे से पढ़ा सकूं. Now, fraction and decimal. Fraction and decimal. Now, my next point is division of whole number. Division of whole number. Whole number by a fraction. Now, today we start this point. Division of whole number by a fraction. We take the example. Okay, just a minute. First you listen, then after I will mute all of you. 1 divided by 1 by 2. Here, 1 divided by 1 by 2. We read in the words 1 divide. Let's suppose this is the circle. This is the one circle, and this is the whole part. And 1, that is the one circle. Divide, that means you convert half part, half. 1 divided 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 shows half part. And that means you cut the circle to equal parts. मैंने देखिए आपके सामने हाफ पार्ट कर दिया. This is my half part. This part is 1 by 2, and this part is also 1 by 2. And I am asking to you, how many parts are there? How many parts are there? Obviously 2 parts. 2 parts. Yes, 1 and 2. These are the 2 parts. If 1 divided by 1 by 2, 1 divided by 1 by 2, it comes 2. देखिए 1 और 2. अगर 1 को हम 2 बराबर भागों में डिवाइड कर दें तो उसके टोटल नंबर ऑफ पार्ट्स कितने आएंगे? 2 आएंगे. 2. But we show with the help of figure. But we solve the division another method. Now look like here. If we write 1 divide 1 by 2, divide also convert into the multiple form. You already study in your previous classes, just like the class 5th and 6th. 5th 6th में आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा डिवाइड को मल्टीप्लिकेशन में कन्वर्ट करना और मल्टीप्लिकेशन को डिवाइड में कन्वर्ट करना. So now we convert this division into the multiple form. Then the divisor part. This is the divisor part. Divisor. If you convert into the multiple form, to convert the divisor to its reciprocal. इसका reciprocal कर दीजिए. Reciprocal means numerator goes to the denominator and denominator goes to the numerator part. That means it comes 2 by 1. 2 by 1. The reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. And every number is divisible by 1. Therefore, we write 2 1 ja 2. And both the answer be same. Both the answer be same.
Yes, sir.
देखिए दोनों का आंसर सेम आ गया. That means
Yes.
if you divide one fraction to the another fraction, that means you convert, you multiply. If you convert division into the multiple form, then you convert the divisor to its reciprocal. Okay? Okay?
Yes, sir.
आप लोगों
Yes,
ने
sir. Yes, sir.
अगर किसी डिवाइड को मल्टीपल फॉर्म में चेंज करना है तो उसके डिवाइजर पार्ट को, दिस इज द डिवाइजर पार्ट, दिस इज द डिविडेंड पार्ट, दिस इज द डिवाइजर पार्ट, हमेशा याद रखिएगा डिवाइजर पार्ट का रेसिप्रोकल कर दीजिए and your answer be coming. Okay? Similarly, let's suppose 1 divided by 1 by 4. Now we show with the help of figure 1 divided by 1 by 4. That means 1 divide. Please don't make a noise. प्यारे बच्चों, listen be.
म्यूट कर दीजिए.
Just a minute, मैं कर रहा हूँ अभी. पहले इसको समझ लीजिए. 1 को
Sir.
1 divide. That means you convert 1. How many parts? 1 by 4. And all the parts are equal because the fraction definition says converting all the parts are equal. Then we convert this circle into 4 equal parts and each part 4 equal parts. And how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That means if you divided 1 divided 1 by 4, it comes 4 answer. 4 answer. Now, or now this question we solve with the help of multiple form. 1 divided 1 by 4, then with the divisor part convert into the multiple form, then it is
Yes,
reciprocal of the divisor 4 by 1 and 4 1s are 4. That both the answer be same. That means our conclusion be, if you divided one fraction to the another fraction, first you convert into the multiple form and then you find your
Yes,
answer.
sir.
Okay?
Yes. Yes,
मैं
sir.
म्यूट कर देता हूं सभी लोगों को. I mute all of you.
No, sir. ठीक है, sir.
Mute all of you.
No, sir.
आप
No, sir. दादा.
okay. Okay. Now we start. Now they start the exercise 2.4 of this chapter. Exercise exercise 2.4. The question number 1. Question 1. Find the first part of the question. You have find 12 divided by 3 by 4. It is very easy. That this is the dividend part and this is the divisor part. If you convert into the multiple form, then reciprocal of its divisor, then we 12 multiply, convert the divisor to its reciprocal, and reciprocal means dividend denominator goes to the numerator part and numerator part goes to the denominator part, and the fraction be its reciprocal. Now we write here 4 by 3. Then if it is simplified, then you simplify this number. 3 1 ja 3, 3 4 ja 12, and 4 4 ja 16, and that is our answer. Okay, it is clear? It is clear, Harsh? Okay. Now we go to the fourth part. The fourth part is 4 divided by 8 by 3. Now we convert into the multiple form and Reciprocal of the divisor is 3 by 8. Now, if it is simplify or not, it is simplify here. Now we simplify the number, 4 2 ja 8, and our number comes 3 by 2. It is the improper form. Then improper convert into the mixed form, 2 1 ja 2, remainder comes 1, 1 whole 1 by 2. And that is our answer. Okay? Okay, Harsh? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. Now the fifth part of this question, the fifth part is 3 divided 2 whole 1 by 3. Now 3 whole here. First you convert the mixed fraction into an improper form. So first we write 3 divided 3 2 ja 6 plus 1 7 by 3, and then you convert this number to its reciprocal, and this sign comes to in multiple form, and 3 by 7, and now with 3 3s are 9, 9 by 7. This number, his denominator is also 1, 1 7 is 7, and it is improper form. Then we convert into a mixed fraction, 7 1 is 7, remainder comes 2 by 7. That means 1 whole 2 by 7, and that is our answer. Okay? Okay? It is clear? It is clear? Jay Aditya. ठीक है? Okay. Now. Sadiq Khan. Sanskar Singh. Okay. Now, and the other part of this question you have done in your homework copy. Now we go to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. Question 2. Find the reciprocal. Find the reciprocal. Find the reciprocal of each of the following fraction and classify the reciprocal is proper fraction, improper fraction, and whole number. Then first you reciprocal of the fraction. So the first part of this question is 3 by 7. Now first we write, our solution is reciprocal of the fraction. We write here reciprocal of the fraction is that means equal, is, and reciprocals means you convert the fraction. Reciprocals means denominator part goes to the numerator part and numerator part goes to the denominator part, and then the fraction its reciprocal. जैसे ही हम इसको चेंज कर देंगे तो जो दी हुई फ्रैक्शन है वो रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगी. Their reciprocal is 7 by 3. Now in this question you find it is proper or improper. This fraction is improper because the numerator part is greater than the denominator part. Then you write the other answer, 7 by 3. 7 by 3 is an improper fraction. Okay? Only 2 parts we find in this question. That is our answer. Okay? इस क्वेश्चन में यही पूछा है अदर पार्ट में कि ये जो रेसिप्रोकल करने के बाद जो फ्रैक्शन आई है वो प्रॉपर है, इम्प्रॉपर है और होल नंबर है. तो यहां देख रहे हैं ये फ्रैक्शन इम्प्रॉपर है. माय सेकंड आंसर 7 by 3 is an improper fraction. Okay, it is clear? Ajad, Mr. Ajad, can you listen my voice? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Don't. Sadiq, मेरी आवाज आ रही है? सौम्या जायसवाल, सौम्या, can you listen my voice? Okay, it is clear. Raise your hand. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. Now, take the another part. This is the third part of this question. 9 by 7. Now first we write the reciprocal of the fraction. So we write here reciprocal of the fraction equal 7 by 9. 7 by 9. This is my first answer. 7 by 9. And 7 by 9 is a proper fraction because the numerator is less than denominator. यहाँ दिख रहा है numerator 7 है, denominator 9 है. Obviously ये कम है, ये ज़्यादा है तो ये proper हो गई. तो at the second statement, 7 by 9 is a proper fraction. And that is our answer. Okay, that is clear. It is clear. Prince Yadav, Prince, can you listen my voice? Krishanshu, it is clear. Raise your hand. Okay. Now, at the seventh part of this question, the seventh part of this question is 1 by 11, and reciprocal of 1 by 11 is 11, because 11 upon 1 it comes 11. Each and every number is divisible by 1, therefore we write 11. And 11 is a whole number. 11 is a whole number. Now we write here our 11 is an whole number. Already you know these numbers are whole, and that is our answer. Okay. Now in this question, the remaining question of this question, you have done it. आप लोग करेंगे जो बाकी बचे हुए हैं. And now we come to the next question, question number 3. Can I erase it? Now, question number 3. Find. You have find. The first part of this question is 7 by 3 divided by 2. Now, first, our solution of this question is, first, we convert division into the multiple form. Then you write the denominator part of this number is 1, because each and every number is divisible by 1. Now we write here 7 by 3 convert into the multiple form, and the divisor part convert to its reciprocal, and it comes 1 by 2. Okay, then we simplify. If it is simplify, you have simplified the number. Otherwise, you multiply numerator part to the numerator part and the denominator part to the denominator part. Now we write 7 1s are 7, and 3 2 are 6. And this fraction is a improper fraction, then we convert into a mixed fraction. 6 1 are 6, and remainder comes 1, 1 whole 1 by 6. And that is our answer. Okay? Okay? It is clear? It is clear? Bindisha? Bindisha? Can you listen my voice? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Now we take the fourth part of this question. Fourth part. The fourth part is 4 whole 1 by 3 divided 3. Now, first, this mixed fraction is convert into a improper fraction. Now, 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13 by 3. And now, we write here 1. And division convert into the multiple form. We show the sign multiply. And reciprocal of the divisor part. And divisor part is 3. And its reciprocal comes 1 by 3. Now, you simplify. If it is simplify, you have simplified. Otherwise, multiply the numerator part to the numerator part and the denominator part to the denominator part. Now here, it is cannot simplify to each other. Then we multiply 13 1s are 13, 3 3s are 9. And this is an improper form, an improper converted into the mixed form also. 9 1s are 9. Remainder comes 4. 1 whole 4 by 9. 1 whole 4 by 9. And that is our answer. Okay. You write also answer. This answer is also correct. And this also answer be correct. Okay. Okay. That is clear? Kishansu? Okay. Now, can I erase it? And the other part of this question, you have done it. Okay? The other part of this question you have done in your homework copy. And now we comes to the fourth part of this exercise. Question number 4. Find the first part of this question. The first part of this question is 2 by 5 divided by 1 by 2. Now, first, we convert into the multiple form of the and reciprocal of the divisor part of this number 2 by 5 into 2 by 1. And we cannot simplify, then you multiply 2 2s are 4 upon 5. And this is an proper fraction, and that is our answer. Now, the third part. Now, second part, you have done it. The third part, 3 by 7 divided by 8 by 7. Now, we convert into the multiple form. 3 by 7 into 7 by 8. 7 1s are 7. It is simplify, and we simplify. And 3 1s are 3, and 8 1s are 8. And it is a proper fraction, and that is our answer. Okay? Now we solve the fifth part. 3 whole 1 by 2 divided 8 by 3. 8 by 3. So first, you convert this mixed fraction into an improper fraction. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 2 into division converted into multiplication. Then the divisor part of the fraction converting to its reciprocal, and it comes 3 by 8. And if it is simplified, you have simplified. Otherwise, you multiply the number, It cannot be simplified. So 7 3s are 21 and 8 2s are 16. It is the improper form. If you show in a mixed fraction, then you divide. Otherwise, it is the answer. Now we convert into the mixed fraction. 16 1s are 16 and 5 by 16. 1 whole 5 by 16. And that is our answer. Okay? Okay. It is clear? It is clear? Okay. Vindisha, raise your hand. Raise your hand. Okay. Now, and one question we done, the 8th part of this question. The 8th part of this question, question number 8 part, 2 whole 1 by 5 divided 1 whole 1 by 5. 1 by 5. And now, first, you convert the mixed fraction. Both are the mixed fraction. You convert into a improper form. 5 to the 10 plus 1. 11 by 5 divided 5 1 is 5 plus 1. 6 by 5. And then you convert division into the multiple form into 5 by 6. Divisor part of the fraction to its reciprocal, convert to its reciprocal, and then you simplify. This number be simplified. 5 1 is 5, and then you multiply 11 1 is 11 by 6, and you, this is the improper fraction. Then you convert into the mixed fraction. 6 1 is 6, and it comes 5. 1 whole, remainder comes 5. 1 whole 5 by 6, and that is our answer. Okay, it is clear. It is clear. Therefore, this exercise is very easy. No problem in this exercise. No. Hello.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Yes. Tell me. Tell me.
बोलिए सर.
इस एक्सरसाइज में तो कोई प्रॉब्लम तो होगी नहीं.
बोलिए सर. नो सर. वेरी इजी सर.
Very easy. So your tomorrow homework is exercise 2.4 completed in your homework copy.
Yes sir.
कल का आपका होमवर्क है कि आप एक्सरसाइज 2.4 कंप्लीट करेंगे एंड देन टुमारो वी स्टार्ट. अब टुमारो अब स्टार्ट करेंगे. टुमारो हमारा डेसिमल्स आएगा, डेसिमल नंबर. तो आज हम यही एंड करते हैं. वी एंड टुडे इज माय पीरियड near about 4 to 5 minutes we left. Therefore, we cannot start the another topic.
Good morning, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir.
आप लोग अपने होमवर्क कॉपीज में कर रहे हैं ना होमवर्क्स? All of you have complete your homework in your homework copy.
Yes sir.
Okay? जैसे स्कूल खुलेगा तो हम सब चेक करेंगे. इसलिए my request, you have done all the homework in your homework.
खुलेगा.
अरे ये स्कूल खुला ही तो है.
इस साल तो खुले सर.
अरे हम आपके सामने हैं. I am sitting in front of you. ये तो ओपन ही है स्कूल. अब कैसे ओपन होगा?
सर कब खुलेगा?
अरे खुला हुआ है स्कूल भाई. कहाँ ये देखो, हमको दिख नहीं रहे हो? दिख रहे हैं ना हम? स्कूल ही तो खुला है. पल्लवी मिश्रा, पल्लवी, can you listen my voice? शामवी सिंह, शामवी, बेटे कल का होमवर्क कर लिए हो?
Yes sir.
रविशंकर, you have done your homework? रवि, सत्यम तिवारी, सत्यम, वर्क कर रहे हो कि नहीं?
Yes sir.
सत्यम, please tell me. Okay. Prince Yadav. Prince, can you listen my voice? Prince.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Amritanshu Roy. Amritanshu, can you listen my voice? Aditi Pandey. Aditi, please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You have completed your homework?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now, tomorrow we start the decimal of the numbers. Now, today
भी होने वाला
I
है
end our
हमारा
class.
अभी
Okay.
ये जो क्लास एंड होगा
Bye, sir.
Thank you all of you. Okay. Thank you.
छुपाई है हो रहा के लिए यही पहन के करेंगे क्लासेस कर दूं सब काट रहे हैं रिकॉर्डर है